Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Over here on this channel, you're going to get beauty, lifestyle, motherhood, and all the good things in between that is girly. So if that's something that you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. But today, y'all, we're going to be talking about taking it back to the basics. I'm going to share 5 products that you need if you are a beginner in makeup, if you are saying that you have a few items in your collection, but maybe you're missing something, your makeup look is just still not coming together for you. I'm gonna start off with 5 basic products that you need to create your look. Okay, so the first thing you want, of course, we're gonna skip the skincare for now and we'll do another video for that. But the first thing you're gonna need is a primer. Priming is essential to your makeup look. Even if you're not wearing foundation and you just wanted to do concealer and powder, the primer can lock in that and it will not allow your face to be too dry from powder. And then also as the day goes on, now your powder is rubbing off, concealer is slipping all around the place. So let's talk about that. You can use any type of primer that you choose. I'll pop a few of my favorites on the screen, but one in particular that I have been liking lately is the NYX Honeydew Me Up Primer. This one is like a serum, so I feel like you're getting 2 in 1 because it's giving you that hydration, it's giving you luminosity. Even if you have oily skin, it's still gonna be a great base to give you that very, very seamless and just hydrated look. But if you're not looking for that luminosity or hydration type of look and you just want more of a gripping type of primer, then the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is also an option. This one is very much so like the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. If you want to spend a little bit more, you can, but this one is definitely affordable and it works as well. Those are options for primers. We're going to skip past any additional things that I would do normally to do like a big glam type of look. But one of the essentials in this basic 5 category, I would say you could use a concealer. There are so many concealers out here that you can use as a foundation that you don't need to necessarily get a foundation and a concealer and this and that. Like if you are starting off from scratch, or if you are just trying to have the basics to put your look together, or if you're on the go, maybe you don't have time to be doing a medium to full coverage type of foundation. So a concealer would be your best friend, or even a skin tint. But today I'm going to talk about concealer. Some of the concealers that I would suggest that are really, really good and give you coverage, of course, is the e.l.f. Camo concealers. There's the original one and then there's the hydrating one. The original one does dry pretty fast. But if you want to lean to the more luxury side, some of my favorites are the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. It is a natural finish. So this one you could use all over the face if you wanted to. You can just use to color correct, to just, cover up any blemishes, dark spots. You can use these type of concealers. Any type of full coverage, natural finish concealer will do the job. And you can get them in multiple shades. You can get one that's going to be closer to your skin tone to do all over the face, and then maybe one a shade lighter just to give that highlight effect, to give it the dimension that you may be looking for. But I can do a separate video if you guys want me to in regards to highlighting, contouring, and what shades you should be looking for when you want to highlight and contour and things like that in a separate video. But so far we have primer, we have concealer. The second thing that you want to do is you want to set it. So you could either set it with a natural finish setting powder or an all over the face powder. Powders that are really, really good for all over the face is the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, as well as the NYX setting powder, to name a few. Even e.l.f. has a good setting powder to put all over the face, or even set your concealer. But if you want more of a high-end one, then the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch powder is really, really good. You would just get the shade that's closer to your shade. This one is in Peach Pie. I use it to highlight under my eye. I am wearing that today under my eye. I love this. It's very smooth. And so that's what you want to go for. You want to go for a finely milled if you get a loose setting spray. But it's best to just get one that's compact if you're going to be using it all over your face. Most of these compact powders come with a sponge inside. This one does, it just fell, but come with some sort of sponge inside. Just get a compact that is close to your skin. Like I said, I named a few that are really, really good and put them on the screen for you guys. So that is product number 3. Product number 4, I would say, would be a bronzer slash blush. So there's bronzers and blushes that are blush shades. Blush definitely elevates your look. A bronzer is going to give you that dimension, because sometimes when you put concealer on, powder, you kind of lose the dimension of your face, the structure of your face. But when you put a bronzer on, it adds that warmth back into the skin, that depth back into the skin. A bronzer that's really, really good to me, and I've talked about it here on my channel for so many years, is this Wet n Wild. I don't know if they sell this, but if they do, every product that I'm talking about will be listed in the description box below. But this Wet n Wild bronzer is everything, and it's less than $5. Another bronzer that you could use is the NYX Buttermilk bronzer. These recently came out. They're so buttery, so soft. They smell really good. And I think the packaging is so cute and really girly to just put into your makeup bag or in your purse really, really quick, and just compact to take out of your makeup bag. So let's say that you had a makeup bag. This one is a mess, but if you had a makeup bag this size, and then you were just able to put all of your products in there. We have our primer, concealer, bronzer, powder. So that's 4 products. And then the last product that I would talk about is going to be a setting spray. So setting sprays really lock in everything. It gives the moisture that your skin needs without it looking too dull after putting all those products on. I would say one that's really, really great, and it's new actually, but it's so good, the mist is very fine, is the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. It doesn't matter if you have oily skin or dry skin, this dewy one definitely locks the makeup in place. It is a finely mist type of spray. Like, it just mists very, very mild. Like, I love that. This is very, very good because it's gonna grip the makeup and set everything in place without it being crunchy or feeling too tacky. So this is an option. Another option is the Juvia's Place Ready Set Seal Setting Spray. I have been really liking this lately. It does have a really light scent to it, but nothing too drastic to the point where it's like, oh my gosh, is this gonna break my face out? This also has a fine mist type of feel to it, and the nozzle is very aggressive to push that out, but this is amazing as well. And then also some great ones would be like One Size, Urban Decay All Nighter, and things like that if you wanted to go towards the luxury side. But those are like 5 main things that you would need to really put a whole face together. Then you would dab into all the other stuff. But if you want me to do a part 2 of like full face makeup bag that you need, definitely let me know. This is more so for my beginners out there, or my moms that are on the go and you just want to look put together. There's so many products out here, especially like quick and easy, and it don't look too cakey. It won't look too, you know, muddy or just look like you have makeup on. I like to gravitate towards the natural finish products, which are the ones I have been listing to you. So yes, that is everything that I wanted to share. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.